Come take a look at this 2009 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 has just under 77,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 20 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 6.2-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, MP3, climate control and driver airbag. Call 877-705-4076 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.